day, late at night, not okay.
Lo idol may adlas niyang tanan og naata karon dinhi sa to ang spot nga paborito nga ginapaluparan o ginatambayan diri. Paluparan nato sa tondron. So karon sit up tas tong bangko kinapabtik nga idol. Iya no. Sit up tas to ang folding chair no. Para magkuding-kud ta diri tanang-tanaw sa view sa atong atubangan. Yon. Dahan-dahan. Ayon. So butangan nato sa katong ato ang lingkuran na ito. Yan, hinay. So para makakuantaw niya. Kasi tumadunggan diri idol, liting lang yun sa mga langgam no. Pagkanindot. Yayo. Pagkatibes tong tubangan idol. Yun ang view sa rice field, mayan ba? So ato ning pakita siya kana di idol. Ang view din na, diyan natin paagi ang drone ron. Totoo pagpalupad ato. Nito makita sa palibot idol sa ubos lang ang side. Totoo dan ni nato. Ito naman palupad ato ang lindahan ron. Yon. Kita gina to ang nindot nga palibot ani ron. Let's go. Yan. Bago lipad. Saramas ka na. So ready to go na. Let's go.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want.
So yun idol ato ang video ron din.
All I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.